Okay, moving on, we'll get to see how we can make use of trigonometric ratios to solve for an unknown side of a right-angled triangle. So let's take a look at our first example. To find the value of x, and the dimensions of the sides are all measured in centimeters. So let me first write down what are the four, let's do a recap on the four-step approach. Okay, so first step, you must always remember to identify the three sides. Okay, with respect to the given angle, once we've identified the three sides, based on the given information, we're going to decide whether we're going to use toi, car, or so. Okay, so once we've decided, we shall fit in the values. And then we're all ready to solve for the unknown. Okay, now there are several things that you need to take note of. Okay, now this given angle 32 degrees, it is measured in degrees. So please make sure you do a calculator check and ensure that it is in degree mode. Okay, second thing you need to take note of is, now this x is a measurement of length. Okay, so let's say if your final answer is not exact, you should always leave your final answer corrected to 3 significant figures unless otherwise stated. Okay, the third point that you need to take note of is, don't forget the units. Okay, in this case, dimensions are measured in centimeters, so please remember to include your units in your answer. Okay, with that, let's begin with my first step in identifying the three sides with respect to the given angle. Now in this triangle ABC, the given angle is angle ACB, which is 32 degrees. So with reference to this given angle, I'm going to identify the three sides. So I've got side AB to be my opposite, my side BC to be my adjacent, and the side AC to be my hypotenuse. Okay, so with that, I'm going to decide whether to use toi, car, or so based on the given information. So look at this diagram. Okay, which are the two pieces of given information? Okay, now side BC is what I need to find, the value of x. So I must definitely include this. So I've got my adjacent settled. Okay, so now it's actually a choice between choosing side AB or side AC. Now look at AB versus AC. Which is the side that is made known to us? What is the value of that side that is known to us? Side AC, right? So I'm going to make use of side AC, which is my hypotenuse H. So I've got A, I've got H. So I am going to decide on choosing car. Okay, so with that, I'm going to fit in the values. So I've got cosine of 32 degrees equals to adjacent, which is my side BC, divided by my hypotenuse, which is my side AC. Okay, so with that, let me fill in the values. BC is the unknown x that I need to find, divided by AC, which is of 18 centimeters. So right now, I need to solve for x. Treat it like any equation where you'll be asked to solve for x. Okay, so I'm going to make x my subject. So I'm going to cross multiply, giving me x equals to 18 times cosine 32 degrees. Okay, make use of a calculator to find the value of x. Ensure that your calculator is in degree mode. Okay, you get a value of 15.3, corrected to 3 significant figures, not forgetting your unit. Okay, so we'll move on to example 2 and 3 in a while.